Raja and Ravi are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ram for 1/4 share of the profit. He takes 1/20 share from Raja and 4/20 from Ravi. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So here two partners are there, Raja and Ravi. Their old ratio is what? 3:2, and what they are sacrificing, that is also given. Ram's share is 1/4. He takes 1/20 from the first partner and 4/20 from the second partner. That is the sacrifice. You have to calculate the new ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So question number 10. What is given? Share sacrificed. First partner is sacrificing 1/20. Second partner is sacrificing 4/20 of the profit. Okay, whatever profit they are getting, they are going to sacrifice first partner 1/20, second partner is going to sacrifice 4/20. So sacrificing ratio of Raja and Ravi. Raja and Ravi are the old partners. Raja and Ravi is 1:4. This is the sacrificing ratio. You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Next, what is given? Old profit sharing ratio is 3, that is given in the question, 3:2. So that is 3/5, 2/5. This is given in the question. Okay. Now what is given? Sacrifice is also given. Then old ratio is also given. Now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. What is the formula? New profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus the sacrifice. Okay. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. So first calculate for Raja. For Raja, what is the old share? Old share of Raja is 3/5 minus share sacrificed is 1/20. So that is equal to 20. Find calculator. Denominator greater is 20. So 5, how many times it will go? 4 times. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 minus 1, that will give you 11/20. Raja. Next calculate for Ravi. Ravi is equal to, what is his old share? Old share is 2/5. What is his share sacrificed? 4/20. So the greater number, denominator 20. 5, how many times it will go? 4 times. So multiply by 4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 4, that will give you 4/20. Ram's share is also given. What is the Ram's share? New partners share, that is Ram share is 1/4. So 1/4, but here denominator is 20, so you have to bring this also to 20. So how you will get 20? You have to multiply by 5. If you multiply the denominator by 5, you have to multiply the numerator also by 5. So that will give you 5/20. Okay. New profit sharing ratio of Raja, Ravi and Ram is 11/20, 4/20 5 by 20. That is 11 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. So, if you add all this, you have to get the denominator 20. 11 plus 4 plus 5, it gives 20. So, in this question, share sacrificed is given, old ratio is given. You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Formula is old minus share sacrificed. So, old is how much? Take that, share sacrificed subtract, find the new ratio, and the new partner's share, that is Ram, his share is also given 1 by 4. With that, you calculate the new profit sharing ratio, that is 11 is to 4 is to 5. Okay. Next, we will do question number 11. Okay. I will read the question. Question number 11, page number 176. Vimala and Kamala are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3. Vinita enters into the partnership and she acquires 1 by 14 from Vimala and 1 by 14 from Kamala. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here also again the share sacrificed is given. Okay. Question number 11. Share sacrificed is given. How much? Both of them are sacrificing the same thing. Okay. 1 by 14, 1 by 14. So, this is the sacrifice is given in the question. So, sacrificing ratio of Vimala and Kamala is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. Both is, it is given. Okay. Then what else is given? Old ratio is also given. Old ratio is 4 is to 3. That is 4 by 7, 3 by 7. This is the old share. Now, what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New share of the old partner is equal to old share minus share sacrificed. So, now who are the old partners? Vimala. So, first find for Vimala. Vimala is equal to, what is Vimala's old share? Vimala's old share is 4 by 7. What is her share sacrificed? 1 by 14. 1 by 14. So, the denominator which is greater? 14 is greater. 7 how many times it will go in 14? 2 times. So, 4 into 2 you multiply, you will get 8. 8 minus 1. So, that will give you 7 by 14. Next, find for Kamala. For Kamala, it is equal to, what is the old share for Kamala? 3 by 7. 3 by 7 minus, what is the share sacrificed by Kamala? She is also giving 1 by 14. So, the denominator which is greater? 14 is greater. 14, 7 how many times? 2 times. So, 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. So, that will give you 5 by 14. Okay. Share of new partner Vinita. New partner Vinita is equal to sum of the share sacrificed by old partners. Okay. So, Vinita's share is sum of the share sacrificed by old partners. Sum means what? Total. How much they are sacrificing? 1 by 14, 1 by 14. So, you add both. 1 by 14 sum, no, so add plus 1 by 14. So, if you add both, you will get 2 by 14. So, the new profit sharing ratio of Vimala is 7 by 14. Kamala is 5 by 14 and Vinita is 2 by 14. Okay, so that you write here. New profit sharing ratio of Vimala, Kamala and Vinita is how much? Is 7 by 14, 5 by 14, 2 by 14. That is 7 is to 5 is to 2. If you add of these three, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So, if you add all these three, you should get the denominator 14. Understood, children? Sacrifice, share sacrificed is given by old partners, both are sacrificing 1 by 14, 1 by 14. Okay. Then old ratio is also given 4 by 7, 3 by 7. So, what is the formula? Old minus share sacrificed. So, apply it in the formula, find the new ratio, that will give you 7 is to 5 is to 2. Okay.